PlantCure shines a light on Elecampane root, known for soothing coughs and chest congestion in traditional European herbalism. Its milky mucilage coats irritated airways, while elantin compounds support a calm throat and clear breathing, harmonizing ancient knowledge with modern wellness insights. A gentle tea or simmered infusion makes this remedy approachable, though it should be used with care and professional guidance, especially for those with pregnancy or medication concerns. This plant's reputation endures as a safe, plant-powered ally when used thoughtfully. Viewers are invited to explore natural options that respect the body and science.